We're here at 1129 Roswell Road. This is in the heart of West Knoxville, just off of Middlebrook Pike, kind of behind Sam's Club and Walmart back here. So it's fantastic location. 3-bed, 1.5 bath, 1-car garage. Even got a pear tree over here in the front yard. So let's take a look inside and see what we've got. We walk into a nice living room with, it's a great little ceiling fan that they put in here. So living room up front. As we walk through all the bedrooms, and we do have a hallway closet there and another one here. Beds and baths are all down this hallway, and then we've got kitchen, dining area, garage, and access to the backyard and washer dryer connections in here. So as we walk through, we do have the full bath right here with the shower tub combo. And we've got guest bedroom number 1 here to the right at the front of the house. Nice closet, low maintenance flooring throughout. Second guest bedroom here. Again, similar layout, nice sized closet. And then across the hallway, we'll call this one the primary. It does have 2 windows, got a closet over here, and then it's got its own half bath. And then you can get a little peek out to the nice fenced in backyard we'll take a look at here in just a moment. But you can see the half bath there. Come on back through. And again, a little dining area, access to the backyard. We do have, this is the water heater in this area with a little extra storage room. You can see here into the kitchen with the countertop there. You've got the fridge, stove, and you do have a dishwasher back here. So got everything you need there. And the washer dryer hookups on this one are actually here in the garage. So again, 1-car garage, a little bit of extra built-in shelving, and then you've got washer dryer hookups over here. And then one of the really nice things about this is, again, being in the heart of West Knoxville, and it still has this fantastic backyard. So fenced in here, looks great, plenty of space. And back here in the backyard, all that's missing is you. Go to KeyrenterKnoxville.com and click on this property to schedule a viewing or submit an application today. We'll see you soon.